Well, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And this is one another instructional video that I have promised quite a time back, but I was not able to make. This is for all the HMT watch collectors in my group, and I am here to do one instructional video for a DIY kind of thing. And this is what I follow. I'm not telling everyone to follow the same methods, but this is what I follow, and I have got some pretty good results. And it is related to all the watches in HMT segment that have stainless steel case here. And many guys have asked me that, yeah, we buy some old HMT watches like this one I have picked from some shop in my hometown. I don't know even if it is real or not, but it was lying there and I have just picked it up. And Dial says that it is a really old one, but who knows. So I have just picked it up for doing some experiment kind of thing. So this watch came with the bracelet as it is. I'm not going to the watch, but the case here, as you see, it has all, this case is very scratched up, unpolished, blemished, and all those kind of things. The time has taken its toll on this case quite good. And as well as the strap, it is also has the signs of aging. So guys were asking, how do you polish this kind of things? So I use a kind of polish. First, I would like to introduce this one. This is the brand is Autosol. Yeah, Autosol metal polish. So I got this from Amazon. If you can say Autosol, this is a chrome polish, and you can find this tube for I think 400 to 500 rupees or something like that. If you don't find this, then you have the Pidilite made Brighto. This is also the same chrome polish. It can polish brass, copper, chrome, and silver. Right? Do not polish gold plated items with this. This is a disclaimer I am stating again. Do not polish gold plated items or gold plated HMT or other watches with this. Right? So let's go through it. So I have this old cotton cloth. Some of my old shirt torn up now, so I am using this. Perhaps my don't know, junior school shirt. I don't know. So this chrome polish, let me squeeze it out. I think this has been, the tube is very very old, so I don't think it will come out so easily. If not, I will use that Shino Brighto, right? So let's use this. I think that the tube has jammed already because of the drying up of the solution. So take this, and before that, follow the instructions. Apply sparingly on piece of cloth and wipe the surface to be clean. Use clean soft cloth and buff to a lustrous shine. Black oxidized residue may appear because it has suspended metal particles in it. So it scratches the surface and takes out all the dirt. Keep out of the reach of children. This is the very important instruction to follow. So follow these things religiously. Okay. So these chemicals are quite hazardous to health. Take slightly on the cloth here and then close the tube. Let me take the entire thing on the cloth. Yeah. Now close the tube, and you have to keep it out of the reach of children. So that's very important thing to do. As you have taken it on the cloth, let us say that we polish this surface of the bracelet. So if it gets on your hand, wash the hands later properly. So do the polishing in the circular direction like this, and in all the direction you want to get a proper polish on this. So as you can see that the shine is already coming on the surface, right? So you have to take care of this, that shine is already coming to the surface. Not in this surface it is already dull, and this surface it is bright. So you have to do it properly. Just make sure that polish does not get on the acrylic crystal. If it gets, just slightly wipe it off, and then again continue. See that already we have the black residue coming up here. So it means that the surface is being cleaned. And so you can polish the case areas also by hand. And let's see the results now. I will just wipe it off from by the other end of the cloth. I'll take all the polish off properly so that it doesn't leaves any residual mark. Right. See the difference. The bracelet here and the bracelet here. The dusty parts mainly, not the shiny steel parts. If you can see that it has made a considerable amount of difference in the later part of the bracelet. Here that is already dirty, and here that is the freshly polished part. You can see the results clearly here. Let's also polish a bit of the lug edges here. So let us see if it can get some dirt out of here or to the sides of the edge. You can get the dirt out of here properly if you use this polish. It comes out. So it gradually goes, right? So I would suggest this method only if you have to polish certain parts of the entire watch. Like suppose you have got some blemish here, you can polish it off. Then some here, you can polish it off. If you want to polish the entire case, the best method is to pop out the crystal, take out the movement, and then keep the case aside and then polish it fully. So this is just a small DIY so as to polish certain parts to take out the blemish. So let's do one more thing, that here I have certain edge marks here. As you can see, let's do it once more. I have done the strap part. Now I am going to do the case part. And let's do it once more. Again, slightly you have to take it. And I think this is going to take some time because that part is a bit hard to reach, and I think that is a kind of rust kind of thing or something. Okay, let's do it. Take it back, again polish it, apply some pressure and see what the results are. Just make sure that once you are done with it, done with all the polishing, just wipe out the entire thing, using a plain cloth, and make sure that the polish is not retained anywhere. So I will just use the cloth to wipe it completely. Now see, the rust part is gone. As we were seeing, the rust part is completely gone, right? So this is how you I actually do my HMT watches, polishing the case of my HMT watches and maintain them. So here you see there is no rust, and again here you have I have some rust, so I will polish it off some later point of time. So this was just an instructional video. If you have really enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe, and share it with other HMT watch collectors. I think that will really benefit them. So thanks for watching. You can get these two metal polishes anywhere. I think this Brighto you will find in any hardware store, but this metal polish, the Auto Sole, you may find on Amazon. And these are also very helpful to maintain your survival tools like your Swiss knives and other kind of things. You can polish them properly and keep them rust free. And some decorations, utensils that are chrome plated or something like that, your bike handle, your motorcycle handles, and all the hardwares, the exhaust and all those kind of things, you can polish with these things. So thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.